All right, hi, Attorney Steve, welcome back. Another episode of Piracy Log. Okay, so we're talking about Microsoft piracy. Okay, so our firm used to handle a ton of these, what we call down here, BSA cases, okay? And these were cases that were brought by the Business Software Alliance, a trade association that represented a lot of different of the major software companies such as Microsoft, Adobe, Autodesk, et cetera, on down the line, okay? And they disappeared a couple years ago. We have not heard anything from them. In fact, I have a whistleblower piracy case right now, massive, a potentially massive case, and I can't find anybody that's willing to accept it. I've called Microsoft and reached out to them and no response, so it's really incredible. I found on the internet that it looks like they're cooking up something in the lab called Argus, a new blockchain, trying to utilize Ethereum blockchain, if you're familiar with that. And a blockchain is just basically what we call a distributed ledger. It's open, everybody can figure out what's what, it's supposedly transparent. And right now they're trying to do all kinds of things on the blockchain, NFTs, selling crypto, metaverse, everything, okay? So Ethereum is the biggest blockchain. It's selling for, I think, somewhere $1,300, $1,400, $1,500 a share right now. Anyway, so apparently I don't know much about this. I have done some research. I've tried to figure out what exactly is Argus, how is this going to work. This is all I was able to come up with after spending about an hour trying to research this. But it appears to be a joint project between Microsoft, Alibaba, that has a ton of infringement problems, people using their site for improper purposes, and Carnegie Mellon University, okay? So they're getting together, they're trying to put together this Ethereum distributed ledger. It's gonna have some sort of watermarked algorithm. And again, I don't know how this is gonna work, but there's going to be a mechanism to backtrace the pirated content and make sure only one person can actually report that. How they're gonna solve that problem, I don't know. But again, it's going to be the same model of reporting piracy. The Business Software Association used to do that. They used to offer rewards for cases, what they used to call nail your boss cases. And they still are going to have a way that you can maintain anonymity, you can identify infringers and potentially receive incentives, and as we would call them here, bounties, okay? So we don't know what this is going to be used for. Could it be used for software? Could it be used on a broader scale? Could this be something that they could patent and use on a broader scale for things like digital video, music, software? We don't know. So I just wanted to get this out here. It appears to me that this is very, very early stage, more in the thinking process, the think tank process, I would call it. But something to keep an eye on, something to think about, you know, with these blockchains and crypto and everything. There's a lot of companies trying to come up with what we call a use case, So you can come up with something and go, hey guys, this is why we need to get on the blockchain. So we will keep an eye on this. We'll keep you posted and see what's going on. But yes, we have not seen Microsoft doing any audits. They used to do a bunch of audits, unless we're just missing them. But we just haven't seen any of the audits out. We haven't seen the Business Software Alliance out. So maybe they're just working on the next big thing, okay? So there you have it. General legal information only, not legal advice. Stay tuned. We will have more as we see this if it evolves, okay? Have a great day. AttorneySteve.com.